If you're building custom WordPress sites and you're still hard coding meta boxes by hand, or worse, paying for a bloated plugin that slows your site down, this video is going to change the way you work. We aren't just talking about adding a few text fields today. We are talking about building a scalable data architecture that can handle enterprise-level traffic and complex business logic without breaking a sweat. I'm Donald Kaisamba from Sync Consultants LLC. We help mid-market businesses design, build, and scale digital systems that actually drive revenue and efficiency. In my decade of work in digital transformation, I've seen too many projects fail because the underlying data structure was too rigid. That is exactly what we are fixing today. By the end of this deep dive tutorial, you'll understand exactly what MetaBox does, how it compares to every other solution on the market, and how to use it for professional setups. We'll also cover advanced front-end rendering with MB views and how to optimize your database performance using custom SQL tables. This is a masterclass in WordPress data. If you get value from technical, high-level WordPress and enterprise tech content, please hit that subscribe button. I'm dedicated to bringing you the systems that real businesses use. I read every comment and use your questions to drive our future tutorials. So stay engaged and let's build a better WordPress ecosystem together. Let's get into section 1. Before we dive into the dashboard, we have to talk about the two giants, ACF and MetaBox. Most people start with ACF because of the UI, but MetaBox has been the developer's choice since 2010. One major difference is database efficiency. By default, ACF writes 2 rows for every field, the value and the key. This leads to massive database bloat on large sites. MetaBox is significantly leaner. It uses WordPress's native metadata structure more efficiently, and for high-performance needs, it even allows for entirely custom SQL tables. We also have to mention the recent ecosystem shifts. A CF is now under WP Engine, and the landscape has become complicated with the recent disputes between Automatic and WP Engine. MetaBox has remained independent and stable for over 14 years. For a business owner or an agency, that kind of predictability is worth more than any fancy UI button. MetaBox is a framework first. It's modular. You only install what you need. If you don't need custom tables, don't install the extension. That keeps your site fast and focused. For developers, the ability to register fields directly in PHP is a game changer for version control and deployment, but don't worry, the visual builder is there if you need it. If you're ready to follow along, I put the link to MetaBox in the description below. It's metabox.sjv.io/dyvm1j. Go ahead and open it in another tab. I recommend the agency bundle for most professional builds, but the free version we're about to install is a great place to start. Let's head over to the WordPress dashboard. Starting from a fresh install, we go to Plugins, Add New. This is the heart of your WordPress setup. We are looking for the MetaBox core plugin. Search for MetaBox. You'll see the one by metabox.io, install and activate it. This is the foundation, providing the core API for everything we're about to do. Next, to make our lives easier, we're installing the MB Builder. This gives us the drag and drop UI. Without this, you'd be writing PHP arrays, which is fine, but the UI is faster for most. Once activated, you'll see that new MetaBox menu in the sidebar. This is your command center for custom fields, post types, and views. Take a moment to explore it. Before we click Add New, let's talk about the Service Details project. We aren't just adding fields to standard posts, we are creating a structured service entity. A service has a price, a duration, and a summary. By separating these into fields, we can query them, filter them, and design them perfectly on our website later. Inside the MetaBox menu, click Field Groups, then Add New. We'll name this Service Details. This container will hold all the custom data for our services. Now let's look at the field selection. This is where MetaBox shines. You have everything from basic text to complex relationship and map fields, over 50 options here. First, a text field for service price. You could use a number field, but text allows for symbols like the $sign or starting at language. Give it a clean ID. In the settings, we can add a placeholder like $99 per hour. This helps your content editors know exactly what to type. Consistency is key for a professional site. Next, a number field for duration in hours. This is great because it ensures only numerical data is entered, which makes it much easier to sort or calculate later. I'll set a minimum value of 1 and a step of 0.5. This means your services can be 1.5 hours, but not 0. Small details like this prevent errors in your data entry. Finally, a text area for the short summary. This is for that specific snippet that might appear on a service archive or a pricing table. It's different from the main content. We'll set the row count to 3 to keep the admin interface clean. You want your editors to feel comfortable, not overwhelmed by massive text boxes everywhere. Now imagine you only want to show the price field if the service is paid. MetaBox has conditional logic built right in. You don't need a separate plugin for this. You can set a rule to show this field only if another field matches a certain value. This allows you to build very complex dynamic admin forms for your clients. Once your fields are perfect, head to the Location tab. This is where we tell WordPress, hey, only show these fields on our service posts. This keeps the UI clean. I'll set it to post type is equal to service. We'll create that post type in the next section. Hit Publish. Your field group is now saved and ready to be deployed. Section 2, Custom Post Types. Why not just use posts? Because your blog posts and your business services are different types of content with different requirements. By using a custom post type, you give your services their own URL structure, their own archive pages, and most importantly, their own specific set of custom fields. Inside the MetaBox menu, click Post Types, then Add New. We'll fill in the plural and singular labels. Notice how MetaBox automatically suggests a clean slug for you. In the Advanced tab, you can choose what WordPress features this post type supports. We definitely want the featured image and maybe the excerpt. Customize it to your needs. You can even customize the labels like Add New Service or No Services Found. These small touches make a site feel truly premium for the end user. Let's pick a dash icon. I'll search for a briefcase or a star to represent our services. It'll show up right in the WordPress sidebar. Hit Publish. We are officially in business. Now look at your sidebar. Services is right there. Click Add New. This is where the magic happens. Look below the main editor. There are our custom fields. Price, duration, and short summary. Everything we built in MB Builder is right here, tied perfectly to our service post type. This is structured data in action. But here's the catch. If you view this post on the front end right now, your custom data is invisible. WordPress doesn't know how to show it yet. This is where most people get stuck. You could write PHP and a child theme, but that's slow and risky. The modern way to handle this is MB Views. It lets us build front-end templates directly in the dashboard. In the MetaBox menu, click Views, then Add New. We'll call this Single Service Template. This view will control how every service looks to your visitors. Inside the editor, look at the Insert Field button on the right. This is incredible. Click it, find your service price field, and click Insert. MetaBox writes the code for you. It uses Twig syntax, which looks like double curly brackets. I can wrap that in an H3 tag or a custom div. It's incredibly clean and readable compared to standard PHP. Let's add the duration and the short summary. You can build out the entire layout here, add images, buttons, or even conditional logic right in the template. Now scroll down to Settings. We need to tell this view where to appear. Select Singular and then pick our service post type. This is the final link in the chain. I'll set the position to After Content. This means it'll show up below your main text block. Hit Publish. Let's go see the results of our hard work on the live site. Look at that. Price, duration, and summary are all rendered perfectly. This isn't just a hack. This is a professional, maintainable data system that you can scale. If you change the price in the admin, it updates instantly on the front end. This is the power of structured data. You are building a system, not just a page. Section 3, Performance. As your site grows to thousands of posts, WordPress's standard meta table can slow down. This is where MetaBox's custom tables extension is a lifesaver. With one click, you can tell MetaBox to store your service details in their own dedicated SQL table. This results in significantly faster search and filter queries. Enterprise grade. In your field group settings, simply check Save Data in a custom table. MetaBox handles the entire database schema creation for you. You don't need to know SQL. It's that simple. Now your queries are optimized, your database is clean, and your site is ready to handle as much content as you can throw at it. Stability at its finest. We use this exact setup at Sync Consultants for real estate listings, professional directories, and complex e-commerce integrations. It's the engine under the hood. If you're building a site that needs to grow, don't settle for the standard out-of-the-box solutions. Build something that respects your data and your users' time. Let's talk about the investment. The core framework is free. The personal bundle gets you MB Builder and MB Views, which is perfect for a single high-powered site. If you're an agency, the agency or lifetime bundles are the real winners. Unlimited sites, every extension, and a lifetime of updates. It pays for itself in just one project. Again, my link is metabox.sjv.io/DYVM1J. Using it helps support this channel and the deep dive research we do for every tutorial. Thank you for using it. If you grab the agency bundle today, you're setting your business up for years of stable, scalable growth. It's the best decision I've made for our tech stack. We've covered a lot: installing the core, building field groups, creating custom post types, and rendering everything with MB views. That's the full cycle of WordPress data. The key takeaway is this: treat your content like data, not just text on a page. When you structure your data properly, the possibilities for your website become endless. I want to hear from you. What are you building? Are you running into issues with ACF, or are you a Metabox veteran with your own tips? Drop a comment below. Every like and share helps us reach more developers and business owners who need to see this. Your support means everything to the team at Sync Consultants. Next week, I'm doing an even deeper dive into the custom tables extension and how to build a searchable property portal from scratch. You don't want to miss that one. We're launching a full enterprise WordPress series focusing on high-performance builds for mid-market companies. Make sure you're subscribed to catch the launch. If you need help building these systems for your business, visit us at sync-consultants.com. We'd love to chat about your next project. We are built to scale. I'm Donald Kaisamba. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next deep dive. Go build something incredible. See you soon.